Recently, I've noticed that a lot of you guys out there own the DJI Pocket 2. Today, I'm going to share with you guys 3 unique transitions or techniques that you can try for your DJI Pocket 2. Now, are these techniques really going to be exclusive for the DJI Pocket 2? Not really, but they're extremely difficult to replicate as the DJI Pocket 2 is small and light and has one of the best stabilization in the world because it's literally a gimbal. If not, buckle up and let's dive in. The first technique is through the pillar. What you want to do is to position a subject behind a pillar or a wall from outside the frame. As the subject approaches the center of your line of sight, walk together with your subject through the pillar. Now do this a couple of times with different scenes and it should look something like this. Number 2 is the hand throw. This effect will give you a perception of grabbing and throwing your subjects to different landscapes, which is quite interesting. What you want to do is to hold the DJI Pocket 2 with one hand while the other moves to grab your subject, and then have your subject disappear and reappear once you have thrown him or her to your desired location. And it should look something like this. Number 3 is into the dark. Ooh, that sounds scary. This effect will make your subjects appear in different locations, but unfortunately, you'll be the one doing most of the work. What you want to do is to move your camera into the subject from a distance. Now as you approach your subjects, the screen will automatically turn dark because you are literally transiting from one scene to another, but that's where the name Into the Dark came from. Now it can be going into a subject's back, front, or something which they are holding or carrying, perfectly transiting from one location to another. This effect is extremely useful if you want to feature a product as it brings it to different contexts. What do you guys think? Have you guys seen or tried any of these effects before? Or do you guys have other ideas that you think that works well on the DJI Pocket 2? Please share with me down in the comments below. Besides video, the DJI Pocket 2 is really useful even for photography. Did you know that it can take up to 64 megapixels? It's literally 3 times the megapixel of a bigger camera. Or do you think it's just a gimmick? I've done a video over here, so do go over there to find out. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.